How to remove note on Facebook profile. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you remove note on Facebook profile. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Facebook app with your account. So simply open the Facebook. And now after you open the Facebook with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. So simply tap on it. And now after you open the profile, you'll get such interface. So from here at the top of your profile picture, you'll be able to see your note here. So to remove that, you'll have to just tap on that note. And now from this note section, you'll be able to find the options like delete note. So simply tap on it. And now from here, tap on delete. Okay, so this is the process. In this way, you can also remove or delete note from your Facebook profile. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.